Hello everyone. Previously, we had seen what generics is, right? So today we'll be going through the collections. Basically, when I say collections, it's we are dealing with list, set, and map, right? So what are collections? Collections store and manipulate group of objects offering data structures like lists, sets, and maps for the efficient data handling. So we'll see this one with a very simple example by making use of array list and hash map, right? So what I'll do, I'll just come here. Let me right click over on new, click on Java class. I'll just give collections example, right? I'll just click, I'll just hit the enter. What we have done here, I have defined a public class named collections example. Next, let me define the main method as well, right? I'll just give public static void main string, right? So next, what we'll do, let's start with the array list example. I'll just comment this one and write here array list example, right? Just for the reference so that we'll get to know easily. So first what I'll do, let me make use of the array list. I'll just come here, this one. So you can see here, we have imported the array list class from the Java util package. So after this one, let me give here string, let me give string list equals new array list, right? So here, what we have done here, we have created an array list to hold string objects. Next, let's add some string to the string list, right? Let me give string list dot add. What shall we add within the strings? Let's add the random fruits name, right? I'll just give apple. What we have done, we have added the apple to the string list. Let's add two more fruits name, right? I'll just give string list dot add of, make it banana. So what is wrong here? Okay. We give string list dot add cherry, right? So what we have done here, we have added apple, banana, and cherry to the string list. Next, let's loop through each string in the string list. For that, I'll be making use of for. Let me give string str string list. So here, what we have done, what we are doing, we are looping through each string in the string list, and let's print the fruit followed by the string, right? str, nothing but str. I'll just make use of s out. I'll just give here fruit. Let's concatenate the str, right? So this is one thing. Next, what shall we do? Let's see with the hash map example as well, right? So here, if I run the code now, let's see. So we are getting fruit apple, fruit banana, and fruit cherry. This is working correctly, right? Next, let's see with the hash map example as well. I'll just give hash map example just for the reference so that we'll get to know easily, right? So what I'll do, I'll just give app. So here you can see we have imported the map interface from the Java util package, this one. So I'll just give here map. Let me give string also integer, right? Integer, we give fruit calories here, create a hash map. You can see here. So what we have done, we have imported the hash map class from the Java util package as well. So what we have done here, I just miss semicolon, I think. Yeah. So we have created a hash map to hold the string keys and integer values, right? Next, let's add the key value pair to the fruit calories map. How can we do that? I'll just come here. Let me make use of fruit calories dot. Let's make use of put. In the put, I'll just give what we are doing. We are adding the key value pair, right? I'll just give apple, and let me give the value, some random value. I'll just give 95. Then what I'll do, I'll just come here and do same thing with the two other fruits, right? Let me make use of put again. Here, instead of apple, I'll just give banana, and let me give 105. Finally, let me make use of the fruit calories, sorry. Let me make use of put. Here, let me give cherries. Let me give 5. So what we have done, we have added a key value pair, apple, and the this one, right? Some random number, and also with the banana and cherry to the fruit calories map. So finally, what I'll do, let's loop each entry in the loop through each entry in the fruit calories. How we can do? We'll be making use of for loop. I'll just give map dot entry string integer. I'll just give entry here. Let me give fruit calories entry set. Right? This is fine. What we are doing here, we are looping through each entry in the fruit calories, right? Next, let's print the key and its corresponding value. How we can do that? I'll just make use of sout for this. Sorry. Make it sout. What we are doing here, we are printing the key and its corresponding value, right? Initially, what I'll do, I'll just give entry dot get key plus, let's concatenate as also, let's concatenate the value as well, right? I just give entry get value plus, here let's concatenate the string calories. This. So this is good. So did I miss anything? This is fine, right? Yeah. Let's run the code now. So initially we are getting fruit apple, fruit banana, and fruit cherry, right? This one for this example, array list example. For this one hash map example, we are getting banana has 105 calories, apple has 95 calories, as well as cherries has 50 calories, right? So just give me a second. Yeah, everything is working properly. Next, let's go with the multi-threading in Java. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.